Before anything else, before another thought enters your mind, before you return to all the responsibilities waiting for you, just stay here for a little while. Nothing is asking for your attention right now. No one needs an answer from you. No one needs you to be strong. No one needs you to carry the weight of the world for the next few minutes. Just be here, because maybe you've been surviving for so long that you've forgotten what it feels like to simply rest. And perhaps your soul has been asking for this quiet moment longer than you realize. There are burdens people can see, and then there are burdens nobody notices. The thoughts you never say out loud, the worries you keep replaying, the fears you hide behind a smile, the exhaustion you carry into every new day. Most people only see the version of you that continues moving. They see you showing up. They see you handling things. They see you functioning. But they don't see the effort it takes. They don't see how tired your heart has become. How many times you've sat alone with your thoughts. How many times you've wished someone would understand without needing an explanation. How many times you've quietly carried pain that had no words. And maybe that's why you're here right now. Sometimes we convince ourselves that everything depends on us. If we think harder, maybe we'll find the answer. If we worry enough, maybe we'll prevent the problem. If we hold on tightly enough, maybe nothing will fall apart. But look at what that has done to your heart. Look at how heavy it has become. You were never created to carry every outcome. You were never asked to know what tomorrow holds. You were never meant to live as though the entire universe rests on your shoulders. The sun rises every morning without your permission. The stars appear every night without your effort. The world continues under the command of Allah, and your life is no different. Long before your worries arrived, Allah was already taking care of things. Trust does not mean never feeling afraid. Trust is feeling afraid and remembering Allah anyway. It is not having all the answers, yet believing there is wisdom beyond what you can see. You don't need certainty about tomorrow. You only need certainty about the one who holds tomorrow. And Allah has never forgotten a heart that turns toward Him. So tonight, put the unanswered questions down. Put the fears down. Put the disappointments down. Put the things you cannot control into Allah's hands. You have carried them long enough. For just one moment. Stop fighting every battle at once. Let your heart breathe and rest beneath the mercy of Allah. A seed grows long before a flower appears. Dawn begins while the night still looks endless. Some of Allah's most beautiful work happens where human eyes cannot see. And perhaps the same is true for you. While you are waiting, while you are wondering, Allah may already be opening doors you cannot see yet. Sometimes relief arrives quietly, so quietly, that you only understand it when you look back. So don't spend this night carrying tomorrow. Instead, rest, breathe, and let your heart remember, you are not responsible for holding everything together. Allah already does that perfectly. Whisper, Alhamdulillah, not because everything is easy, but because Allah is still taking care of you, even now, even here, even in ways you cannot see. And perhaps that is enough for tonight. If this message brought even a little peace to your heart, comment Alhamdulillah and share it with someone who may need this reminder tonight.